Charles wakes up, goes to warm his car up in the middle of a storm. As you see, the Salter just drove by. Here comes Charles to warm his car up. Oops. To get it ready before he takes a shower. He walks around to the door. Or tries to. And puts the key in the door. But can't get it open. It's bad out. 3 inches of ice on the ground. He says, the hell with it. I'm going back to bed. If he can make it. But his father says, no way. You're going to work. I'll clean the car. You take a shower. So I go to work. An inch of ice in the car. The door would not open. So I had to pry it open with a screwdriver. And voila, it opens. I start it up, clean it. Get it ready for the ride to Yonkers. It's getting lighter, as you can see. Very slippy. Drive it out. Barely got traction. Pulling down the driveway. Oh no, watch my rear tire. Here it goes into the tree. No. I'm good. The car's all warmed up, ready to go. I'm clearing a path so Charles don't slip. To get into the car. He's in. The day clears up and it turns out to be a beautiful day. I get to work. I'm clearing the driveway. Almost done. So here's my reward. Walking out of the house to clear the front walkway. Oops, I didn't realize how bad it was.